Traveling can be a daunting experience for seniors, often filled with challenges such as mobility issues, long security lines, and navigating unfamiliar airports. These obstacles can lead to stress and anxiety, making the journey less enjoyable. However, knowing a few airport secrets can significantly enhance their travel experience. From utilizing special assistance services to understanding the best times to fly, these insider tips can make all the difference. In this video, we'll share valuable strategies that will help seniors travel stress-free, ensuring their journeys are smoother and more enjoyable. Stay tuned for practical advice that will empower seniors to embrace their adventures with confidence. Planning ahead is crucial for seniors seeking a stress-free airport experience. One effective strategy is to book flights during off-peak hours, which often means less crowded airports and shorter lines. This can significantly reduce stress and make the journey more enjoyable. Additionally, consider using travel agencies that specialize in senior travel. They offer personalized assistance and can help navigate any challenges that may arise. Don't forget to check for senior discounts on flights and accommodations, as these can lead to significant savings and added comfort. By taking these steps, seniors can ensure a smoother travel experience from the moment they leave home. Arriving early at the airport is essential for seniors to ensure a smooth travel experience. It's advisable to arrive at least 2 hours before domestic flights and 3 hours for international ones. This extra time allows for check-in, security screening, and any unexpected delays without the pressure of a last-minute rush. Avoiding this stress can make the journey much more enjoyable and less overwhelming. Additionally, consider using airport shuttles or rideshare services for added convenience. These options can simplify transportation and reduce the hassle of parking. By planning to arrive early, seniors can take their time and start their travels on a positive note. Navigating airport security can be a challenge for seniors, but with a few simple tips, the process can be much smoother. First, it's advisable to wear easily removable shoes and clothing to facilitate quick security checks. This can save time and reduce stress during the screening process. Additionally, seniors should keep medications and essential items easily accessible in their carry-ons, ensuring they can retrieve them without hassle if needed. Another great option is to encourage seniors to enroll in TSA PreCheck, which allows for expedited security screening and shorter wait times. By following these tips, seniors can breeze through security and focus on enjoying their travels. Airports offer a variety of services designed to assist seniors and enhance their travel experience. One key service is wheelchair assistance, which can be requested in advance to ensure a smooth arrival at the airport. This service helps seniors navigate the terminal with ease. Additionally, airport staff are available to assist with navigation and boarding, providing guidance and support throughout the journey. Seniors should not hesitate to ask for help when needed. Another great option is to utilize airport lounges, which offer a comfortable waiting experience away from the hustle and bustle of the terminal. These services can significantly improve the overall travel experience for seniors. Staying comfortable during a flight is essential for seniors to enjoy their travel experience. It's advisable to wear comfortable clothing that allows for easy movement and to bring a travel pillow for added support during the journey. Staying hydrated is also crucial, so seniors should drink plenty of water and consider moving around the cabin periodically during long flights to promote circulation. Additionally, bringing along snacks can help maintain energy levels and keep hunger at bay. To make the flight more enjoyable, seniors should pack entertainment options such as books, magazines, or downloaded movies. These simple tips can help ensure a pleasant and comfortable flying experience. In summary, planning ahead, arriving early, and utilizing available airport services are crucial steps for seniors to ensure a stress-free travel experience. By following these tips, seniors can navigate airports with ease, avoid unnecessary stress, and enjoy their journeys more fully. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in making travel enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these travel tips. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for travelers like you. Safe travels, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.